Hi, I'm Dave from Top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring the 10 best options for you every time. Let's talk about Norton Secure VPN. Norton is one of the most popular choices when it comes to online security software choices. People have been trusting Norton for years to keep their personal and financial details confidential. So Norton Secure VPN is bound to be a winner off the bat. The VPN offers bank-grade encryption, anonymous browsing, and geo-restriction unblocking. Norton Secure VPN keeps no logs and offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Norton Secure VPN is a good user-friendly VPN service. Some providers offer loads of features, complex programming, and detailed options. Not Norton Secure VPN. This VPN provider believes in KISS. So if you're techophobic and just want something simple, Norton Secure VPN is your best friend. You're playing in the big leagues with a company like Norton, so it comes as no surprise that Norton Secure VPN has 3,000 servers spread across 30 countries. Most of those servers are located in the US and the UK. Norton Secure VPN allows for up to 10 simultaneous connections, which is a boatload of devices. So you pretty much never have to worry about logging out or switching things up. You can use Norton Secure VPN on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Norton Secure VPN uses the bank-grade 256 AES encryption technology to secure all of its transactions and any data being transferred over its network. This is an incredibly strong technology that's almost impenetrable. Norton Secure VPN also uses L2TP/IP/SEC and OpenVPN protocols. I've got good news and bad news for you kids. The good news is that Norton Secure VPN successfully unblocks all Netflix content. Yay! The bad news is that it doesn't support torrenting. Boo. So if P2P is your thing, Norton Secure VPN won't cut it. Norton Secure VPN has pretty good results from speed tests, particularly when using a server that's close to home. There is a slight reduction in speed, but that's to be expected from any provider when connecting to a VPN. Norton Secure VPN doesn't include too many frills in its basic VPN service. That's probably because it wants to keep things simple for maximum ease of use. And the fact that Norton has a premium VPN service might have something to do with it. Norton Secure VPN's pricing is somewhat confusing at first, until you realize you're paying for the number of connections. Plans range from $4.99 a month and can go up to $9.99 for up to 10 device connections. Obviously, you'll save more by signing up for more devices than purchasing individually. Norton Secure VPN comes with plenty of support options, and you can reach out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There's live chat support or phone support if you want to speak to a person. There's also a huge help center on the site. Norton Secure VPN has a no logging policy, and the company takes great pains to detail and explain what that means and how meticulously it follows through with that promise. Norton Secure VPN is located within US jurisdiction though, so bear that in mind. Norton Secure VPN is backed by an industry-trusted leader in internet security, so if reliability is a key factor, Norton Secure VPN is a good choice. It's also a good VPN for people who hate technology or just want something plain and simple. I hope this video helped you decide whether Norton Secure VPN is the right VPN for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.